What's up, guys? Thanks for stopping in today. Got a pretty interesting video for you guys, and hopefully everybody that has a DURAMAX can do it. Thank you guys for stopping in. If it's your first time, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you want to see videos on this truck and two dirt bikes right here. This one and that one. But anyways, today's video is not about dirt bikes. Today is on the DURAMAX, and I've heard rumors that there's a ridiculously cheap mod that you can do on your DURAMAX that will enhance the sound of your turbo. So, what did I do today? I went to Lowe's and I got this, and I do have to say it is pretty cheap. I hope it works. There's a reason they put the Resonator on the DURAMAX, so take that off. The end result should end up in a louder turbo. We'll see. So let me go ahead and show you guys the part. Okay, so here's the part. It's a 2-inch plug. Looks just like that. I mean, this was actually the last one that they had. So you get the cap and the hose clamp. So our grand total is $3.70. So for just under $4, you can apparently get a louder turbo noise. So I'm all about that. Now you can go into the aftermarket and get nice billet machined ones with a logo on them. I'm sure they make all sorts of different kinds for these, but this is very cheap and it probably does the same thing. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and put this in there. Shouldn't take but like 30 seconds, and I'll just show you how to do it. Literally the only tool you'll probably need is, where's it at? Flathead screwdriver. So there you go. Alright. This is what you'll just take off. I think it just pops off, and put that cap on there and it should give some turbo noise. So I'm going to give you guys a sound clip of what it sounds like before and after the install, and I'll try to give you the best representation of that as possible. Alright, so it looks like mine's not even, this wasn't even screwed in, so, oh. Okay, so that's the world's easiest to install. That's what it looks like in there. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see if that does anything. Okay, well, now that that was ridiculously easy, let's just untighten this. Okay. We've got that little fitting off, hose clamp off. Time to put this one on there, so let's do that real quick. Alright, she's on there. Tighten her down. Make sure it's on there all the way. I wonder if I was leaking any, probably was. Since my resonator came off, I wonder if that was actually robbing me a little bit of power because of the air, because I mean it was just laying there, so air was coming in there somehow. So you go from looking like this to this. So that's cool. Alright, so that's all it takes to put that in. Hopefully we have a better turbo noise, so we'll see. Alright guys, so that's going to wrap up the video. You be the judge. Let me know in the comments if you think it's louder. Me personally, initially, I thought it was louder. Especially when I turned on the high idle. It did kind of sound into thinking it's louder, but I guess we'll just find out on the road. I really do think it sounds a little bit louder. I don't know. I guess we'll see whenever we do the before and after sound clips. If it's supposed to help your truck, and it's under $5, I mean, why not do it even if it doesn't help? So it definitely opens up the engine bay a little bit better. It just gives it more space, I guess. And it does look better without that thing. So anyways guys, if you're stopping in for the first time, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I appreciate the views. I appreciate everyone watching. Just stay tuned. More parts for the RM250 are coming in. If you guys are interested in seeing that, I'll have videos on that. I already have some. I'll put some links and stuff. But anyways guys, I appreciate it. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.